is a good look. Big
Pass be my passing up. Can't see you keep up. Passing the mark, X-Parking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel again, guys. So finally we got some sunshine, because it's been raining like probably for the last 2 weeks. So now we could finally do some better videos and give you guys some better content. And first and foremost, make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe. And the video is gonna drop soon on the fuel pump relay kit. I'm just waiting like on one fuse tap, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And let's get into the video, man. So just now I just had to stop to give it like a quick refill with the coolant, because the light was coming up just now. So yeah. Damn, that intake sounds good. I'm trying to let you guys hear it a little bit better. So right now we're in the 5 o'clock like traffic rush. That's why there's a lot of cars on the 95 right now. And also you got to be looking out for the troopers, man, because them boys like to hide and like to give out like tickets and shit like that. Damn, this AMG clean. Trust me, guys, when y'all get one of these, man, and do the full bolt-on tune and open dump, y'all gonna get hooked to it, man. No joke. Telling you guys, everywhere I go and I do a pull, everyone thinks I got a upgraded turbo. But I still got the stock turbo. It's the intake. So I got a custom full 3-inch intake with the V stock. Damn, that shit sounds sweet. I was trying to see if I could get like a little action content for y'all, but I don't see nobody that's wanna run it, man. But soon I'm gonna drop a video on with me racing an Audi, I think S5 or S3. I think he is full bolt-on tune. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. So make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe, and peace. I'll catch you guys in the next one.